Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make pasta al forno. This classic Italian baked pasta dish is a comforting and satisfying meal, perfect for sharing with family and friends. We will cover everything from preparing the sauces to layering the ingredients and achieving that perfect golden crust. Get ready to create a truly delicious and impressive dish that will surely become a favorite in your kitchen. First, let's prepare our key components. Cook 500 grams of short pasta until al dente, about 2 minutes less than package directions. For the bechamel, melt 50 grams of butter, whisk in 50 grams of flour, then gradually add 500 milliliters of warm milk, stirring until thick. A rich ragu should simmer for at least 1 hour. Also, grate 200 grams of fresh mozzarella and 100 grams of Parmesan cheese for later. Now for the exciting part, assembling our pasta al forno. Begin by lightly greasing a large baking dish, approximately 9 by 13 inches. Spread a thin, even layer of your rich meat ragu across the bottom. Next, add about 1/3 of the cooked pasta, distributing it evenly. Follow this with a generous dollop of bechamel sauce, more ragu, and a sprinkle of both mozzarella and Parmesan cheeses. Repeat these layers 2 more times for a balanced flavor in every bite. Finally, it's time to bake and enjoy your masterpiece. Preheat your oven to 190 degrees Celsius or 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the assembled pasta al forno in the preheated oven and bake for approximately 25 to 30 minutes. You'll know it's ready when the sauce is bubbling and the top has a beautiful golden brown crust. Once baked, let it rest for about 10 minutes before slicing and serving. This resting period allows the layers to set. Enjoy your homemade pasta al forno.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.